My name is Keiondre. I'm currently a sourcing specialist in global strategic sourcing on the electronics commodity team. I studied supply chain management and Mandarin Chinese at Indiana University. I chose Whirlpool because after both an externship experience throughout the Build program and also my internship experience the following summer, I liked overall Whirlpool's culture, how it approaches career development for people in the LDP programs, and saw a future potential career long-term at Whirlpool. So highlights of my internship was definitely having the opportunity to meet with and work with people outside of my function and gaining a more cross-functional perspective of Whirlpool across the board, whether it be procurement, manufacturing, sustainability, engineering, marketing, really understanding beyond my individual functional silo how things get done. My day-to-day varies every single day, but it can entail on a single day negotiating with suppliers, analyzing RFQs from suppliers, mentoring other GSC LDP program participants or interns. It just depends on the day, but every day is new and exciting. One of the Whirlpool values that resonate with me the most is diversity and inclusion, because Whirlpool is a truly global company. In my current day-to-day role, I interact with people ranging from Brazil to India, China, Mexico, and without truly understanding and valuing diversity and inclusion, the work that we do on a day-to-day basis wouldn't be able to be done.